Hello, everyone, and welcome to Module 6. This is Week 6, and within this week, we will be reading Chapter 13 of our textbook. And within the textbook, we are going to learn more about how to describe how the field of early childhood education has made progress, achieving 2 of the 8 criteria of professional status. Really important. Make sure you look very closely at that. You'll also be able to identify advocacy tools that early childhood advocates should have at their disposal, as well as discussing opportunities that program administrators have to contribute to the field's future. What do we need to do to contribute to our field's future? The SLOs we'll be covering this week, the student learning outcomes, are all 3 that are listed within this course, which we're going to be able to demonstrate effective practices for leading and managing in administrating in early care and education programs, implementing ongoing professional development, how to make those plans and evaluate staff needs, as well as establish professional relationships and facilitate collaboration between communication of colleagues and families as well as stakeholders. Within this module, you will be reading Chapter 13 of our handbook. You want to review the PowerPoints that are embedded within Module 6. And our discussion board this week is Program Administrator Support. You want to have your original thread posted by Wednesday, November 24th, and there are 2 peer posts by Friday, November 26th. You want to make sure all 3 are submitted on different days. Now, because Thanksgiving is on Thursday, the 25th, if you'd like to get all this done by Wednesday, please feel free to do so. Jump on it over the weekend, get ahead of the game so you can enjoy your Thursday and Friday with your family and friends. And eating a lot of turkey will get you tired, I'm sure. Let's go ahead and go over our discussion. Again, it's Program Administrator Support. So within this discussion, I would like you to describe how a program administrator has supported your journey of professional development. And I want you to answer these questions. Has an administrator been a resource when you were considering entering the field? Has an administrator welcomed you as a student, teacher, intern, or when you were completing a field placement? How about, has an administrator mentored you to enhance your skill and knowledge of young children and early childhood education? And lastly, has an administrator encouraged you to pursue additional education to become an effective, developmentally appropriate educator? How have you let that person know the contributions they have made to your professional growth and development? This might be a great time to write a letter or make a phone call just to say thanks. Again, your original thread to answer all these questions will be by Wednesday, the 24th, and 2 peer posts by Friday, the 26th. All 3 must be on separate days for full credit to be received. Going back to our module instructions, the parent handbook is due on the 26th, which is also Friday 26th by 11:59. So again, you can get that to me earlier. That's great. The parent handbook, the recording of the directions of how to complete that handbook will be embedded in Module 5. I have recorded it for you and will embed it in there so you can review it when needed. Have a great week. Happy Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you all very soon.